मैंने पूरी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करी थी इस पे, बट क्या करूं पता नहीं कैसे उसमें आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई। दिमाग खराब हो गया, 2 घंटे वेस्ट। सो बहुत मेहनत से प्रिपेयर कर दी वीडियो मैंने, बट फायदा ये हुआ ना कि मुझे याद हो गई प्रेजेंटेशन पूरी पूरी। सो मैं दोबारा बना जा रहा हूँ, बट मैं अब वो टाइम नहीं लगा कि वीडियो बना लूँ। सो आई एम जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग माई ऑडियो। सो मैं कुछ वीडियो सैंपल्स लगा दूंगा अपनी जो मैंने बनाए थे, और उसमें आवाज़ नहीं है। सो जस्ट मैं रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लो, ऑडियो सुन लो बेसिकली मेरी। सो प्रेजेंटेशन में मैं सीधा अपना पार्ट बोलने जा रहा हूँ। बेसिकली मैं इंट्रो नहीं बोल रहा, इंट्रो में बोलूंगा, कल बोलूंगा, अभी नहीं बोल रहा। सो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि ऐसे ही प्रेजेंट करना है हमको जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी। बेसिकली अपने हैंड मूवमेंट्स का यूज़ कर रहा हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, जो कि मेरी नॉर्मल हैबिट है। मैं हैंड मूवमेंट्स यूज़ करता हूँ, अपने हैंड मूवमेंट्स बहुत यूज़ करता हूँ मैं अपनी। लैंग्वेज जैसे भी कंपलसरी नहीं है। एंड जो सीक्वेंस चल रहा है ना, वो चल रहा है मैं, गायत्री, देन अमार, देन सिद्धि, देन अनमोल, देन हर्षित, देन अगेन मी, देन गायत्री. गायत्री विल डू द कंक्लूजन. सो आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग इट अगेन. सो मैं जितना भी बोलूंगा ना, बिना कहीं देखे बोलूंगा. लेट्स सपोज देयर आर टू शैम्पू बॉटल्स सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर ऑन अ शेल्फ in a supermarket. Both shampoo bottles are same in everything, like same price, same quality. Even the brand recognition of both the shampoo bottles are nearly the same. But yet, one shampoo bottle sells a lot more than the second one. Do you know what could be the possible reason? Yes, it's not the chemical or the product quality. Basically, as I previously discussed, they both are nearly same. But the secret lies in the designing of the product, like product designing. So, in this presentation, I'm going to talk about how HUL masters the skill of product designing. So, let's quickly begin with what is product designing. So, product designing is creating a useful product which people want to buy. So, how can we create such a product which people want to buy? Let's suppose I created something which is not useful for you. So, will you buy it? No, right? You will not buy something which is not useful for you. So, how will we can understand that a product is useful for us? So let's see how HUL understands this. HUL does not ask normal questions like what we can do, हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Instead they ask what people actually need, what are the hidden wishes of the people, and what and how can we solve them in such a way that no one will able to do that. Like हमें सॉल्व तो करनी है प्रॉब्लम, बट इस तरह से करनी है कि कोई और उस तरह से ना कर पाए. मैं इतने अच्छे से हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है, कोई और कर ही ना पाए बेसिकली उस तरह से. सो इसके लिए, सो फॉर दैट HL uses advanced computing system, AI, data machine learning, to predict the future and to stay ahead from their competitors. HL does not follow trends, but they try to predict the future, which will help them to stay ahead from their competitors. So let's quickly move forward towards the importance of product designing. So first, importance for customer. Like many companies tries to guess what we can do for the customer, what customer need, but HUL does not do that. HUL take decisions on the system proper systematic data. Like they have as I previously discussed, they have smart computers, they have modern technologies, so they use them to compute the actual needs of the customer with the help of data they have. And let's suppose the data which they don't have, they will collect that kind of data which they needed, so that by the help of that data they will able to predict the what could be the near future and what could be the wants of the customers. Next, speedy process, basically speed. Normally, designing a product and launching it will take many months and some years also. But HUL, with the help of the advanced technology, 3D modeling technology, HUL will able to do that within a few days even, and within a few months. Like they are very fast and quick in terms of designing a product like MVP, minimum viable product, because they have advanced 3D model technologies. So with the help of that, they will able to design and launch their product very quickly. So which will again help them to stay ahead from their competitors. Next, environmental sustainability. Like most companies do, अच्छा सस्टेनेबिलिटी करनी है हमको, ठीक है कर लेंगे, सस्टेनेबिलिटी हो जाएगा, बाद में देखा जाएगा. बट HUL focuses on it from first day. Like from first day, HUL tries to be sustainable, so that the consumer will feel like yes, the product I am buying is harming the nature, but very less in comparison to others. So which will also leads consumer to, which will also builds a brand loyalty towards the HUL and also increase the brand recognition. Now next is ability to charge premium prices, because HUL's product meet real needs and have a great design. Customer are willing to pay higher prices. This helped the company to invest more in innovation. Like HUL is very intelligent in terms of pricing. They price their product in such a way that it will help the HUL to maintain sufficient funds with them, and with the help of those funds, HUL will able to invest them in innovation, which will further lead to better product quality and better brand recognition. Now moving forward towards the example. So एग्जाम्पल में ना मैंने प्रोडक्ट शो किया था, बेसिकली सर्फ एक्सल था मेरा एग्जाम्पल, और डव भी था, बट मैं डव पे उतना फोकस नहीं किया बिकॉज जल्दी कवर करना था. सो मैंने प्राइमरी फोकस सर्फ एक्सल पे, बिकॉज सर्फ एक्सल मैं खुद भी यूज करता हूँ, है ना. सो मैंने उसके लिए सर्फ एक्सल शो किया था कैमरा पे. ठीक है, कैमरा पे मैंने सर्फ एक्सल शो किया था कि मेरे पास देखो है अभी. एंड लोग बच्चों के लिए मैंने वहाँ पे उस पर शो किया था, पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन में भी है, जो फाइल जो प्रेजेंट होगी उसमें भी है. सो मैंने कुछ समय के लिए शो भी किया, देखो मेरे पास भी है. सो इन दैट आई सेड दैट यू कैन फर्स्ट, लाइक ठीक है इतना मैंने बता दिया, लेट्स मूव फॉर टू एग्जाम्पल. So for the examples, I am taking Surf Excel. Like you can see, I have a Surf Excel here with me, and for your reference, I have also mentioned it in the presentation file. So you can see from there. So Surf Excel, like first thing you will notice, the design of the product is very eye catchy. Like the colors which I have used in the product, like blue, red, yellow, and white. These are not just normal colors. Even if you open up a Surf Excel packet and bring out some material from it, you can see the things are very colorful: yellow, red, white, green, no, white, blue, green तो नहीं था, white, blue, this kind of thing. That's why they used those colors in the front packaging also, which makes the product very eye catchy and engaging, and they will definitely catch your eye for some time as well. Before Surf Excel, the detergents are mainly focused on रिमूविंग स्टेन्स, ट्रीटिंग स्टेन्स एज अ प्रॉब्लम, लाइक दाग लग गया यार कपड़े पे, खराब हो गया कपड़ा मेरा, अब क्या होगा. बट सर्फ एक्सेल चेंज दिस बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग आइडिया दाग अच्छे हैं, विच मीन्स स्टेन्स आर गुड. इट फोकस ऑन सेलिब्रेटिंग चिल्ड्रंस क्यूरियोसिटी एंड प्ले इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट क्लीनिंग क्लोथ्स. लाइक अगर दाग लग भी गया तो इट्स अ प्रूफ दैट हम जी रहे हैं, हम जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, हम वी आर लिविंग, वी आर नॉट अ dead person basically. They mainly focus on children because children love to play. Their clothes are way much more tends to get dirty than us because they love to play. This is again a clever marketing idea. Like daag अच्छे हैं, you can itself think again. It's a very clever marketing idea. And not just the designing, not just the look of the product, but the product itself is very good. Like the detergent is designed by using special enzymes that clean well and are gentle with the fabric, are gentle on the fabric also. And different varieties, like they just not sell the product which only can be used by hands, but the product which can also be used in the washing machine also. Like they have launched a variety of varieties of the same product, like one for hands, one for machine also. This emotional connection makes parents willing to pay more for Surf Excel. Now Dove. So मैं Dove थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा प्रेजेंटेशन टाइम पे, जब जब भी होगा देखा जाए, कल है ना, देख लेंगे तब के तब. So now passing it to our respected teammate Gayatri.